Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Population growth graphs can look tricky, but we will master this logistic curve together right now. Let's solve this biology problem in record time.
First, look closely at the graph provided in the figure. This S-shaped curve represents logistic growth, where a population starts fast but eventually slows down as it reaches its maximum limit. Now focus on region X specifically. Notice how the curve begins to flatten out here. This deceleration happens because the environment can no longer support unlimited growth for the entire group. Finally, limited resources like food and space restrict reproduction rates. This makes option B the only logical choice for our final answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid rushing by checking steps and trust the given data for success.